Welcome to BIB 494, Wisdom, Literature, and Biblical Theology. I'm Judd Davis. I'm very excited about the class that we're about to start on Tuesday. You want to make sure that you go to Brightspace and look at the syllabus, read through it. Pretty much, if you've had a class with me before, many of the same policies, practices. One thing we're doing that will be a little different is if you go to the very end of this syllabus, there is a course schedule of class lectures. So this will be what we talk about on Tuesday. And one of the things you want to do in that is, with this video, I'll upload kind of preparation document, a pre-lecture handout, if you will. It's going to give an overview of what we're going to do in the lecture, and we'll talk about how the New Testament identifies Jesus as personified wisdom. We'll take a pretty deep dive into Luke 24 and the advice of how we're to read our Old Testament, as well as a brief look at Proverbs 8, Colossians 1, and John 1. We'll look at the hermeneutical foundation. Christ is the wisdom of God. Revelation is a demonstration of Christocentric Old Testament interpretation. So before class, you want to make sure that you read through these passages carefully, noting Jesus' hermeneutical claims. Read Proverbs 8 in its entirety. Ask who's speaking, what's being claimed. Read John 1, 1 to 18 alongside Proverbs 8, noting parallels, and read Colossians 1, 15 through 20, together with Hebrews 1 to 4, watching for wisdom language. And then skim Psalm 45, note the king's attributes, and then how this psalm is used in Revelation 19 through 22, and keep in mind Ezekiel 40 through 48. So when we look at all of this, this is what we'll do on Tuesday. If you have any questions at all about the class, what you need to be doing, don't hesitate at all in terms of email me. Really looking forward to this upper level class at Bryan on wisdom literature, and I'll look forward to talking to you on Tuesday.